Yeah, Elite Signs is a family-run print business started in 1996 by my father and my uncle, who started with a PNC 960, a small digital print and cut device. However, I actually discovered recently that before joining the army, my grandfather was a sign painter. So we've actually got a bit of heritage there, and we're a family of sign makers spanning 3 generations from analogue to digital. We're based in Bridgend, South Wales, and we offer a wide range of bespoke, high-quality print solutions to help our customers stand out from the crowd. I joined the company back in 2004 from university, and then followed 10 years later by my cousin Nicky, who was originally a carpenter, and so he's good with his hands and skill set. I can imagine that some might think it's only going to cause trouble when the family works closely together, but we make sure we stay professional, but we always find time to have a laugh as well. It's a good dynamic. We're currently supported by our XE540, the GX 500 plotter, and our 64-inch XR 640, which are so integral to our family. We can concentrate on other aspects of the business while trusting our printers to fulfill the task in hand. We need to know that what we're seeing on the screen gets translated into the actual finished product that we're proud of and the customer's proud of. We're a small family team, but thanks to our Rolands and our loyal customers, we've grown to become a large family and look forward to continuing our growth for generations to come.